The first thing that you need to do to start working with Python is to go to the official website, python.org. From there, you can go here to the Downloads tab and choose a download that applies for your operating system. In my case, I'm using a Windows computer, and this is the latest version at the moment. You can also choose to install it for macOS or for other platforms. I'm gonna choose Windows. Right here, you click on it, and then you will see that the download starts right here at the bottom. You'll have to wait a few seconds or perhaps a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. When the download stops, you can show that executable file in a folder, show in folder. You will see this executable file with the version that you downloaded. After you do that, you click on the installer, and you will see this right here. In my case, I already have Python installed, so it prompts me to upgrade my current installation to Python 3.10.6. But in your case, it will ask you to install Python. So let's upgrade it now. While you install it, you will see some settings. It's very important that you choose Add to Path. That's super important because that will give you access to the Python command that you can use in the command line. Right now it's installing. You will need to wait like a few seconds or minutes depending on whether you're installing it or upgrading it. And after that, you should see a confirmation message. And voila, right here we can see that the setup was successful. So I would just click here on close and finish the installation process. Awesome, now you have Python installed. So the next step is to install Visual Studio Code. That is exactly what we will do in the next video. But before we do that, let's check our current version of Python in the command prompt. Let's open the command prompt by going to search, then writing command, and then clicking on command prompt. Let's open this in full screen. And right here, we can check our version of Python by writing python -- version. And that will show us our current version of Python. Awesome, right? If this command works, then everything was set up correctly. If you see an error, then you might have to troubleshoot something that happened during the installation, like not adding Python to the path. That is very, very important, okay? To be able to use this command in the command prompt. But if everything worked correctly, then you're ready to go and you can continue a course. So let's go to the next part of the course where we will install Visual Studio Code. I will see you there.